You know what's going to be really fun?
What?
National Train Day on May 11th at the Union Depot in St. Paul.
Oh, yeah, that'll be kind of fun.
You know what we should do? I have an idea.
What?
The train.
The train?
Yeah, this one. You know this one. That one?
That's not the train.
Like this one?
That's... What is that? I don't know.
That's not the train?
No, it's not the train.
Okay.
That's not even a
Genius.
mode of transportation.
You do the train.
This is the train. Hey guys! Want to join the train? Hey Mike! That was fun.
Oh, maybe people will actually join us when we do it at Union Depot.
On May 11th.